All right, so the first thing that we want to do when we're in SuperHumans United is update our profile, because we want people to get to know us. If we don't update our profile, we're going to show up as a blank picture with no information. We're going to look like a ghost. All right, so it doesn't have to be perfect right out the gate because you can update this later, but we definitely want something. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is click on our profile icon, click View Profile, and if I click on any editable field, then the editor will pull up. So the first thing we want is a profile picture, which you can upload from your computer, or if you're on your phone, you can do it from your phone. We can upload a background picture, same thing. If you're on a computer, you can upload it from your computer. If you're on your phone, you can upload it from your phone. And then the first field we want to complete is About You, where you can write a little about yourself. They give you 160 characters here. If you want to maximize the space, I like using an online character count. And you can Google online character count tool and something will pop up and you can maximize the verbiage that you use there. All right, so I'm very happy with that. We'll come back in here, copy and paste it. And then the next thing we want to do is make sure we have an accurate location. And then spectrum is how many years you've been with the SHT. If you want to share your social media and personal links, you can do that here. And then we have a space where we can actually give a little bit more information about ourselves. They call this an introduction. All right, so we have 600 characters. And again, I would maximize this space. I like to use a character count tool. And so I'm going to come over to my tool, make sure that this is accurate as far as count goes. I'm at 589, which is really close. Very happy with that. Going to copy and paste it, and there's my introduction. We also want to make sure that we have an accurate time zone because this is how your events will show up in your calendar. And that should be about it. All right. Very important to complete this part so that people can get to know you.